The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Fort Collins Police Department. At approximately 6:15 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, an unidentified creature has been sighted roaming within the city of Fort Collins. The creature appears to be a humanoid figure with a green square-shaped head, black eyes, sharp yellow teeth, glowing red pupils with blood appearing to flow from its eyes, and black arms and legs. All residents in these following areas are advised to shelter in place immediately. They are Downtown Fort Collins, Old Town North, South College Avenue, East Side District, Westfield Neighborhood, North Side Community, Central Park area and the Harmony Corridor. Please remain indoors, secure all windows and doors, and do not attempt to approach or apprehend the creature. Law enforcement and emergency services are aware of the situation and are responding. Stay tuned to local news and official channels for further updates.